Hey guys, it's finally May and it's finally sort of consistently hot and sunny, so it's time to actually tend my little apartment garden. I'm gonna plant some plants, like aromatic plants and some tomatoes. If it's, I don't know if they're gonna grow, and I wouldn't recommend taking me as any sort of expert because I'm not. I'm just a beginner, and since last year I've been trying to just keep some plants on my balcony because first they're pretty, and second, this way I can actually at some point use the herbs for my cooking and even make my own teas. And so yeah, so basically that's the only reason why I'm doing it. If you want to enjoy just a very quiet vlog of me planting stuff, just watch ahead. So here's what I'm gonna be planting. I've got some lavender, I have some tomatoes, and a mix of lupino perenne, which is just called like perennial lupin. It just seemed nice, and I think it was on sale, so yeah, I'm just a cheap bitch basically. And also I have this little plant here which was given to me as a gift for Christmas by a friend of mine. It's called facelia, which is a easy to plant plastic plant. The flowers last for about a month, and it can happen from April to October, so hopefully I'm still in time to plant this. So I'm just gonna go over here and plant the plants and tend to these plants over here. Some of them need repotting and some of them are dead, like this poor little ivy here. I'm sorry, little ivy. It's gonna be fun. Right, so I'm done. I'm not sure that I did anything in the correct way, of course. So I'm not sure whether this will come out a complete mess. I hope not. So here I have Melissa, I think it's like lemongrass, that actually grew in this bigger pot, and so I just repotted it here. It doesn't look too good, so I really hope that she survives. And also this aloe shoot was cut off from this bigger aloe plant, so I just repotted it and let's hope that another aloe comes of it. Here I put the lupine russell, ivy, lavender, and tomatoes over there. Over there, that's the avocado tree that is growing, hopefully. More ivy. I just hope that everything grows. I hope you guys enjoyed this impromptu gardening vlog, knowing again that I am no professional. So, see you soon.